is also really nice. Today on the 20th of April 2024, we have Bäckbornas väg 7 here in Beckomberga, Stockholm, Sweden. And in this group, we now only have also the building 3 left to be filmed.
Yeah, I have also 15.
But you can film it.
Yeah.
Yes, the best is 8 persons, which is in 30 rooms. It has 4 floors here. Was built in 1991 by DEVE. I'll check that on the window to the right. Yeah, we did it then. And this number is K54770. The capacity is 8 persons, or 630 grams.
Inspected by ITK or maintained by ITK.
They don't inspect.
Yeah.
That was a good one. It was a good joke.
Yeah. Yes, inspected by Kiva inspected.
That's how we pressed that.
Yeah.
That's it. Thanks.
That's